Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wesley Meyer. I am a realtor here in the Nashville area, and today we're going to take a look at one of the homes I just did an open house for this past weekend. Beautiful renovated ranch style home. Let's take a look at some of the amenities and some of the updates that this home has to offer. So this home is at 324 Lynn Drive in Nashville. I love the location of this property. It's right off of Harding Place Road, just south of the zoo. So if you love being close to the zoo, if you have kids, it's a great location. Just a short drive from the universities, Lipscomb, Belmont, and if you have kids in middle or high school, there is Franklin Road Academy just down the street across the highway. Speaking of the highway, this property is very conveniently located close to Interstate 65. It's just a couple minutes to get on the highway. You can go south to Franklin or north into the city. This particular house was built in 1961. It's a 3-bed, 2-bathroom, 1,625 square feet, so a good size for a 3-bed house. While it is an older home, it has been completely renovated. Almost everything is brand new. An entryway closet has been added, which I think is a really good call because who doesn't like a nice coat closet? Open air living area with nice brand new clean windows. Almost every window in this house is brand new. Let's take a look at this kitchen. Completely modern, updated kitchen. All brand new appliances. Nice clean white countertop along with the new backsplash. Again, new windows. Just really functional, really clean, easy to keep organized. And a nice little breakfast nook for a dinner table. Now let's head into the den. The den has a wood burning fireplace, completely functional. Just off of the den is the laundry room, which includes a completely brand new water heater. This is also where you have access to the back patio, the back covered patio, and a large spacious yard with well-established trees. Now let's head down the hall to the main bathroom. This is a nice, very clean feeling, full bath. We've got new vanity, new window, nice clean fresh shower and tub. Not much left to be desired with this bathroom. And then on the left here, we have 2 guest bedrooms. Very simple, very clean, spacious, all with nice plush, brand new carpet and closets in both. Also, all the lighting in the house is brand new, minimalist, clean, bright lights. I just love all of the windows in this house. They bring in a ton of light and they're brand new. They just look super clean and it really makes the house feel open. Now, this next room is my favorite in the house. This is the master bedroom. It's a good size. You can see it's staged here. It's got closet space in the bedroom, and there is also extra closet space in the double wide master bathroom. Now let's take a look at this master bathroom because it's a really good size, really well done. Upon entering, you have the window, and on your right you have a sizable closet for any of your bathroom needs, any of your toiletries, towels, even clothes. They could all fit in here. You have a brand new walk-in shower, spacious, brand new tile. Again, nice clean new vanity, just a really spacious area, all with a wonderful view of your backyard. Just a really well done space, and probably my favorite room in the house. I really enjoyed hosting the open house here. The people who came seemed to be very impressed with the property and the price. This property is currently listed at $585,000, which is about $360 a square foot. If you're looking to buy this or any other property here in Nashville, I'd love for you to reach out to me. My contact info will be in the description as always. I really like the neighborhood. Just when I was setting up my open house signs, I noticed how many walkers and joggers there were in the neighborhood. It just really felt quaint, really felt friendly. The properties were well kept, well looked after. You can tell people in this neighborhood have pride in their homes. I just can't say enough good things about this home. Great curb appeal, great neighborhood, in a great city. Can't get better than this.